How to raid in Kingshot. I'm going to tell you how to raid effectively in Kingshot. First, always scout your target before attacking. Check their troop mix, hero level, and gear so you can tailor your army accordingly. Go for a balanced formation. Think infantry up front to absorb damage, archers behind to deal heavy range damage, and cavalry on flanks for speed. Best basic ratios are around 5-2-3 or 6-2-2. Upgrade your heroes and gear early. Infantry need health boosts, while archers and cavalry benefit from lethality increase. Before you hit attack, make sure your tavern queue is full so you can reinforce or send another army quickly. During big events like All Out or Swordland Showdown, coordinate with your alliance. Rallying together not only boosts your points but also ensures defense coverage.